Hi everybody, my name is Tracy and I'm from the Goldberg Museum, and I am here to do one of the activities from our Festive Family Fun Pack with you. So I'm not sure about you guys, but one of my absolute favorite things to do in the holidays is crafts. I love them, I can't get enough of them, so I definitely volunteered to do this video. But I must say there are some rules to crafting. One of the first things you need to do is you need to get yourself a nice cup of something hot, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, very good. And if you are lucky enough and there are Christmas cookies around, I suggest you get some of those as well. Then once you've got that, priority number one, you want to make sure you have a nice clear space to do your crafts. Now today I'm going to do this a little bit faster than you would normally take because I've got a lot of stuff prepared, but take your time, enjoy, and have some fun while you do this. So today I'm going to do paper angels with you guys. So you'll have everything you need in your kit, and that's going to include 2 pieces of paper. You're going to have a string. You will have a gold wire or pipe cleaner. And of course, the most important thing for this craft, and I'm ripping this off because I've already glued it, is a little clothes peg. Then you'll also get a few things to decorate with, so you'll have that as well. Now, there are a few things you're going to need from your home. You're going to need some glue, a marker, and some scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just like you would if you were making a fan. And you're going to do that for both pieces of paper. So voila, I've got some pre-folded or ready to go. Once you've done it for both pieces of paper, you're going to need to get your clothes peg and take some glue and put it all along the side of your clothes peg. Great. So start one side at a time, and you are going to glue about 3/4 the lengths down the first piece of paper. So it's just set up like that. Now, when you glue the second one, it is really important that you make sure you put the pattern on the same side. So go ahead and do that. Great. You get that. And again, I want to make sure that pattern is on the same side. So there we go. Great. And don't worry if it doesn't all line up, because that is what we're going to use the scissors for. So once you've kind of fastened that, you're going to push it really hard, let it dry just a little bit, get a little tacky. You're going to go ahead and you're going to make, using your gold wire, a little halo. So you're going to make a loop, you're going to twist it around, cut it to the size you want, and essentially you're going to end up with something like this. And you're going to decide which side you want to put your halo on. You can use a little glue. But really what's going to hold it on the most is the string we're going to use next. And your string here is the most important part. It's going to hold everything together nice and tightly. So you want to make sure you leave a fairly long tail, and you're going to wrap it around a few times. You'll have lots to do that. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. And however many times you can get that to go before you tie it. And once you tie it all up, you're going to make sure you leave it with some tails, and it's going to look like this. Now at this point, if you find that it's not even, or you want to cut it or make some patterns or something in it, that's when you go ahead and you cut the paper there. So you've got this, you'd fan out the dress and the arms, and you would add, using the marker, a little face. So that's all it takes. Now, there's one more extra step. If you're interested, there'll be a few little decorations in it. And if you want to add some glitter or something to your tassel, you can go ahead and do that.